Hello, I'm Rashina Hill from Brighton Stratton College, and I'm in the business program. I'm going to go through my articulation worksheet. The first outcome that I did was explain the role of business in a global environment, and I did that in my macroeconomics classes. I did an essay on global warming that affects the earth and climate. The second one I did was recognize management and leadership skills. I did that in my Business 215 class, and I did an essay and a PowerPoint on how a business could become successful, which I read a book on that. The next one was follow established methods and inquiry and mathematical reasoning to form conclusions and make decisions. I did that in my accounting principles class. I did a PowerPoint about trying to get a software to a company called NetSuite, and I was also selling the software to another company. This is how the outcome was met using math, how much it costs, and depending and explaining how it works. My next outcome I did was formulate ethical decisions, making skills that can be applied in the workplace. I did that in my social 115 class. I wrote a business letter to my employer about changing some rules and making our lunch breaks longer. The next one was transfer knowledge, skills, and behaviors acquired through formal and informal learning and life experiences to new situations. I also did that in my social 115 class. I did my resume and elevator speech that tells all about my transferable skills and workplace knowledge. And the next one I did was employed strategies, reflection on learning and practice in order to adjust learning processes for continual improvement. I demonstrated how it would be owning a business in this multicultural world. I started a business plan also. Okay, and I did the identify and apply the basic functions of management, such as staffing, planning, organizing, controlling, and leading to the decision-making process. I did that in my English 102 class. I made a memo to all my employers at the company about the rules and company policies. Then the other outcome, utilize appropriate technology and resources to locate and evaluate information needed to accomplish a goal, and then communicate findings in visual, written, and oral formats. I did an interview with a business owner of 3 restaurants in Cleveland and in Westlake, Ohio. That is how my outcomes were met.